Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be cooking bitter ground sambal. It's deep fried bitter ground, kind of like salad. So the ingredient what you need, I have here 2 bitter ground. I have cleaned it, washed it, and about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, a half of tomato, and 1 onion, 3 green chili, and half teaspoon of lime juice. Okay guys, so I cut my bitter ground into slice. I chop my green chili and dice my tomato and slice my onion. Guys, so I'm going to be adding the salt and the turmeric powder, and I'm going to mix this up very well. I have an oil here, it's already been heating, so I'm going to go ahead and put the bitter ground to deep fry. So make it So I'm just going to keep on frying it till it comes golden brown. Okay, so the bitter ground is nice and golden brown, and I'm going to take this, transfer it. So basically I'm just going to fry the rest of them and I'll come back to you. Okay guys, so I fried the bitter ground, deep fried. It's cooled down, so I'm going to be adding the rest of the ingredient. The tomato, green chili, pepper, salt to your taste, and yes, one thing I forgot to mention about the yogurt. Plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons. Lime juice. Let's go ahead and mix it up really well. Let me go ahead and mix it up and I'll show you. Alright guys, this is it. It's done, it's plated. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys did, please hit subscribe, hit like, comment, and hit the bell button. Thanks, see you in my next video. Bye bye.